So this dishwasher has a UO error code, actually stands for VO for vent open, when starting the dishwasher. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the nut that holds the vent blower assembly. So I'll reach in, turn this counterclockwise, the nut here, and I can then lift the vent blower assembly up over here. So now I'm going to open up the vent blower assembly, and you see there are two screws on the bottom. I'll remove the first screw and then the second. And I'm going to flip the vent blower assembly right side up again, such that when I open the cover, the spring inside it doesn't fall out. So we see that there are three components, three essential components. One is a motor that opens and closes the vent, the flap. There's a fan for air movement, and under the fan there's a circuit board that actually checks to see if the vent is open or closed. So if you see when I push the door down, there's a bar that blocks this black component right here, and which is the optical sensor. So the optical sensor sends a light in between these two posts, and when the fan is closed, the bar blocks that light, and that's how the control panel knows that the vent is closed. So I'll show you when I switch on the dishwasher. You see the fan is moving, and the motor is trying to open and close the flap. And right now, once again, it gives me a UO error message that it detects that there's something wrong. So I'll cancel the dishwasher. So the first thing to do is to clean in between the optical sensor, which I've done already previously, and it still doesn't work. So what I'm going to do next is to take the optical sensor out and replace it with another one. And the part that I bought for this optical sensor is a sharp optical sensor. The part number is a GP1S093HCZ0F, and it costs about 71 cents from DigiKey's website. Now I'm going to unplug the circuit board from the main wire harness, and before I do that, I'm going to unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet. I'm just reach down and unplug the dishwasher. And so now I'll just pull this connector off from the printed circuit board. Okay, one thing to be aware of is this optical sensor right here is not symmetrical. This edge, this corner is a 90-degree angle, whereas this corner is chamfered. That means it has a 45-degree angle, so it only goes in one way, and the chamfered part is on the same side as the green wire. And something to be aware of too is be careful to not lose the spring, which goes on the base of the cover and the arm. So be sure to save this spring in a safe place. And now we are going to unsolder that optical sensor.
Wow, the holes in that board are really tiny. There it is. Gotta make sure we get this back on right.
Okay, so now you're going to put the new optical sensor
And I'm
slotted back on.
put it in the holes. Like that, okay?
Yeah, and let me just verify the chamfered side is correct.
I will.
So now we'll resolder the new part on.
There you are. For you. Better than new. There you are.
Here I'm adding conformal coating to the components to protect them from moisture. I'm using a product from MG Chemicals called Premium Acrylic Conformal Coating. I'll use this brush to apply the conformal coating to the whole circuit board and let it dry. So it's something like nail polish. It's applied to the board and to the component that I just put on. I'll put it on both sides. And now I'll put the electronics back on. First is the printed circuit board with the new optical sensor. And I'm going to make sure that I align this, the flap, such that it fits in between the bar fits in between the two pros on the optical sensor. And then there's a spring that goes in between the base and this arm right here. Can be a bit difficult to put on. And next is the motor or the solenoid and the pin. And finally the fan. I want to hold everything in place, plug the connector back in. Now everything is in place. Put the cover back on. Make sure that the flap is not stuck, and I'll put the screws back in. And lay the vent blower assembly back on the dishwasher, and then I'll go from the front of the dishwasher and reattach the nut that holds it in place. So it's a clockwise turn. Okay, it's stuck in place. I'll close the dishwasher door and let's try it. Well, first I need to plug the dishwasher back into the wall outlet. And I'm going to reach in . And so what we have here is the dishwasher has a code of PF. I'll cancel that and restart dishwasher. And we can hear the water running, and hopefully the dishwasher will stop working now. Okay, so the dishwasher is working, and give a thumbs up if this video was helpful, and I hope this helps you fix your dishwasher.